Okay, put this down in there, and I have brown crap that got all over my skirt, and this is after we washed the tub cleaner how many times? 4?
I don't know.
5?
I lost count.
And the muck seems to be getting worse.
Hands. So
There's the first batch of guck. It looks like muddy soap.
it doesn't smell.
No, doesn't. It looks like poo, but it's not. Looks like it might be mud.
You can see she's
Kind
been
of
wiping
pasty.
it out.
Okay.
The weird thing that I noticed is there's none on the sides. It's all on the bottom part.
Well, and what we found out was that we didn't know that that I was supposed to clean it out once a month. So it's been a year that we've had this. So let's clean out the guck and try again. Yeah, it's just at the bottom, so it's draining fine. It's just... I mean, what's this dirt been storing underneath this for a year?
I don't know.
Don't know. Okay. All right. Try washing it again. Okay, so we are not supposed to have brown crap on our clean towels. They're flaky. A little better. But it's like dirt. That's not clean. That's icky.
Well,
That looks...
that's cleaner,
Yes.
but it's all on the towels now.
Well, that's still not right.
All right. Do me a favor and dry those.
Okay. All right, so the black crappy stuff, brown stuff is coming off in the dryer. So that's why we didn't notice it had issues. All right, so what are you trying? You're trying an air nozzle.
I'm going to see if this does anything.
So it's only coming
loose
out when it's wet.
Mm-hmm.
After you've filled the tub.
Apparently.
So we fill the tub again and keep wiping. Okay.
That's not doing anything.
All right, after finding the owner's manual online, we have discovered that I'm supposed to be cleaning this once a month by using this little tub clean right there. So I am going to use a cup of bleach, and I just no name brand, whatever they've got in the store. A little cup of bleach. Pour it right in there. I wouldn't do more than a cup. Even a half a cup is fine. And then we're going to get that out of our way. Turn it on. Tub clean. Start. And we shall see if that takes the brown gunk out of the bottom. All right, it took about an hour. Water on the top. Smells clean. Flashlight. Yeah, it looks like it took most of the brown gunk away. I'll wipe it out a little bit. Okay, word to the wise. Read the directions. I need to clean this once a month to keep the yucky mud junk out. Thanks for watching.